All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Ended up having to get a cover for the Ender 3 Pro because I just was not getting good adhesion and a couple prints got really messed up. So this thing definitely holds the heat in better. And on top of that, I started getting better quality prints like immediately. So the final print was this little guy. So great bed adhesion, but more importantly, I was not getting enough light in there to kind of see what was going on. So I decided to install some LED lighting, and that's the before, then that's the after. So now I can easily kind of peek in there without having to unzip everything. And I'll show you what I did. So that is the LED lighting. It was just kind of quick and simple to put in. I'm going to put a little layer there on the bottom. But it's basically the tape lighting, and that's a box that it came in. And it has a dimmer control, so you can make it like super bright, kind of like on the dim side. But I think that definitely helped out a lot. So if you end up getting that covered, that's the lighting that you can get installed, relatively inexpensive. I'll put all links below. Anyway, hopefully that helps, and definitely need this stuff for better adhesion. And you can kind of see the film of glue that's on there, but it makes a world of difference. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Hopefully that helps everybody out there. Be safe. Thanks for watching and subscribing.